Hey everyone, BDN Vlogs. Hope you guys are well. Hope you guys are good. So today we're in the kitchen. It's been requested quite a few times and by family members that they wanna see my mom's chicken pilau recipe. So today I'm in the kitchen. The wrong chef. I'm with the right chef, my mom, and she's gonna be showing you how to cook chicken pilau her way.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम गार्लिक एक बूटा थोड़ी जिंजर 3 मिर्चा गरम मसाला
So mom's added half a kettle of water to ginger, garlic, 3 chilies and garam masala.
some salt
She's gonna add some salt to that. This is the yakhni. Yakhni बनाते पे हो ना?
हाँ चिकन यखनी थोड़ी देर है उबलेगा ना 5 मिनट फिर इधर चिकन ऐड करें.
So this yakhni you're gonna bring it to a boil for about 5 minutes. Once this is mixed in, we're gonna add the chicken. So today we're making 3-pound rice, which is about 7.5 cups. We're gonna use 1 chicken, and we've got everything else. We're gonna give you a step-by-step guide, and you can just see what my mom's using and how she's doing it. Inshallah, I'm gonna try to cook pilau one day as well, but I've always been bad with rice. I don't know what it is. Me and rice, we don't go. I can't cook rice. It's just one of those ones. But anyways, let's get on with the recipe and let's see what the right chef mom is doing.
ये 5 मिनट उबल गया है ना. इधर विच असा चिकन पाना है. बिस्मिल्लाह. चिकन पा के अच्छी तरह मिक्स करके इनू रख देना है अबाउट 10 मिनट. फिर इदी यखनी बन जाएगी. फिर असा तो सानू दसांगे कि तड़का किस तरह लाना है.
Tops on, and that's another 10 minutes.
यखनी तैयार हो गई है. थूम देखो पक गया है. गरम मसाले दी थूम दी नाइस स्मेल आ रही है. हरिया मिर्चा भी देखो पकियां ने. चिकन भी बिल्कुल हुन ये साड़ी यखनी रेडी है. नेक्स्ट स्टेप जेड़ा है वो तुहानू दसांगे कि तड़का किस तरह लाईदा है ते एंड किस तरह करीदा.
So that's the yakhni ready. We're going to put the yakhni aside and start off with the tadka.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. तकरीबन पौना कप ऑयल दा है. ये असा 3 पाउंड वजन दा तो सानू तरीका दसने है. लेस एंड मोर होया तुसी आप अंदाजा लाओगे.
ते 3 पाउंड कितने ग्लास होता है?
3 पाउंड
कप्स.
ए वाला ग्लास 7.5 a glass size.
Yeah, so 7.5 cups of glasses, what we're going to call them. That's 3-pound rice. You're putting just under a cup of oil.
1.5 quite big onions.
So it's a big onion, yeah? 1.5 onions. So that's mom doing the magic.
प्याज नून करना है ऐसा डार्क ब्राउन. थोड़ा सही ब्राउन करना है. वो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा.
Yeah, so basically you're going to leave the heat on, and we're going to, the onions got to get really dark golden brown. So it's got to be dark. It's like this is sarde on the black here. So you got to char the onion basically, and you got to burn the onion. So once we get to that stage, we'll get back to you.
ये हुन बस थोड़ा जिया और ब्राउन करना है. थोड़ा जिया डार्क जरा कुछ. फिर मैं पानी पा.
I would say it's been about 10 minutes, but it's not about the timing, it's about the color of the onion. तो साकिया तकरीबन रेडी है.
नहीं बस हुन पानी पाना है. हुन ठहर जाओ ना सही.
So the onion has to be about that color.
ए हुन पानी पान लगे.
So I'm going to add the water.
हुन इधे विच 1 टमाटर 3 मिर्च हरिया मिर्चा
1 tomato, 3 green chilies.
गरम मसाला 1 टीस्पून. जीरा पीसिया 1 टीस्पून. साबुत जीरा 1 टीस्पून. सम black peppers.
1 teaspoon. So that's gonna go into the onions. Now, mom, you said this your cheese spicy, but you're not telling us what that is in it.
Oh, secret.
So that's the mom's secret. I did see mom. She was putting she put something in there. And I go, Mom, what's this? What are you putting in there? She even told me you're not supposed to see, but I didn't know what it was. But anyways, she's not telling us that. But this is how to make the basic chicken pilau recipe. So we're just gonna let that masala heat up and mix in.
Everything, सारा कुछ मसाला नहीं मिक्स हो गया, सारा टमाटर, हरी मिर्च, सारा कुछ प्याज ने ना अपना कलर छोड़ देता है। मैं चिकन नु यखनी चू सेपरेट किया।
So the chicken यखनी जो कर दिया, that's the बोटियां out of the chicken there.
हाँ, ये उन पाके बिस्मिल्लाह इन्हां नु भुनना है थोड़ा सा। चंगी तरह मिक्स करना है, थोड़ा जा चिकन नु कलर भी चढ़ जाए।
About 5 minutes.
हाँ, जितनी देर ही चाहे कलर चढ़ जाए, 5 मिनट।
Yes, like, as I said, we don't do timing. So until the chicken goes nice and golden, you just wanna mix it in and get the whole chicken coated. सारा मतलब रंग chicken its flavor शेवर चला जाए.
फ्लेवर जाए, रंग जाए बस।
That's ready.
थोड़ा सॉल्ट पाना है।
So now mom's gonna add the salt.
तुसा उतना पाया जना जाके आस्ते जितने चावल में।
Mix the salt in. Give that a couple of minutes.
हो गया।
That's ready. Now mom's got the yakhni.
यखनी ए विच जरूर रखिया जे जिदे नाल सारा कुछ भुनिया जाए विच। पैगी यखनी सारी अच्छी तरह निचोड़ लवो, ओदे च जो फ्लेवरिंग है एदे विच जाए।
You gotta mature it, mom said.
हुन बस मिक्स करना है ते बस हुन अगला स्टेप है कि चावल पा के फिर तुहानू जिसले दमा तोड़ांगे फिर तुहानू दसांगे।
Yeah. So that's ready. To add the rice, put the chawal in and then throw it on the dama. Something like that.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ढक्कन उतारिया, उबलदा है पिया।
So the masala, the yakhni, everything has come to a boil. It's boiling.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। चावल पाने ने मेरा तरीका है वे इस तरह पाने हुन तुसां दा अपना जिस तरह होया।
So that's the chawal added. I think mom's adding a little bit of water, getting the extra rice out. The chawal are in.
मिक्स करो बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
Mix them in.
मिक्स करो। हुन चावल देखो 1 इंच पानी तू नीचे पानी 1 इंच तकरीबन चावलों के ऊपर है।
So how mom measures the water, she leaves at 1 inch gap from the rice to the water. So the water has to be an inch over the rice. 1 inch पानी rice को ऊंचा होना चाहिए।
पर ये आके टेस्ट भी करना है कि
So mom's gonna give that a little taste.
सॉल्ट थोड़ा जा कम है वो फिर चाकू हो तो पा लो।
Mom thinks the salt is a bit less, so she's gonna add some salt. Mom's added the salt, how much she thinks she needs. Obviously salt is to your likings. We like with extra salt.
बस उन्हीं दी वेट करनी है कि उबलन चावल ऊपर आन फिर इन्हें दमा लाना.
So this is going to come to a boil and then we put the dum on. So कितना time हो जाएगा? 10 minutes?
तकरीबन इतना पानी इस तरह हो जाए ना.
Yeah, so basically the rice are bubble on the panina and the water is level बराबर है.
हाँ. बराबर है ना, ड्राई हो गया है ना.
The water is dried out.
ਹੁਣ ਬਸ ਅਸਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦਮਾ ਲਾਂਗੇ.
Mom will put the dum on. And get a few bubbles in.
ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਬਲ ਨੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਥੋੜਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਹੈ. ਫਿਰ ਅਸਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਦਾ ਦਮਾ ਲਾ ਦੋ, ਭਾਵੇਂ ਪੋਣਾ ਲਾ ਦੋ, ਦਜੀ ਜੀ ਨਵਾ ਦੇਣ, ਕੋਈ ਪੋਣਾ ਆਖਦੇ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਕੁਕਿੰਗ ਫੋਇਲ ਲਾ ਦਿਓ, ਹੋਰ ਬਿਹਤਰ ਹੈ.
So you're going to cover the top?
ਮੇਕ ਸ਼ੋਰ ਕਰਿਆ ਜੇ ਕਿ ਪਾਣੀ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਦਿਸੇ.
Yeah.
ਪਾਣੀ ਦਿਸੇ ਨਾ ਜਖਨੀ.
You need to see the water like
ਤੇ
this.
ਫਿਰ ਦਮਾ ਲਾਣਾ ਹੈ. ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਪਾਣੀ ਨੂੰ ਡਰਾਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨਾ. दमा ला के इधर गरम किया सी तवा फ्रंट च लिया के तवे पर रखने ने.
So the dama goes on the tawa. There's the tawa.
हीट बस इस
Medium low heat.
10 मिनट बाद दमा तोड़ांगे.
After 10 minutes we're going to take the top off. Mom's going to give you the recipe on how she makes dahi and how we love mom's dahi.
बूंदी.
So mom's putting some bundi.
इनु वेट किया सी गरम पानी 5 मिनट.
So that was soaked in warm water for 5 minutes, so it's soft.
ये सॉफ्ट है. ये पानी है. थोड़ा जा अनियन पाना है. nearly half cucumber है तकरीबन.
Cut small.
Cut small. छोटी छोटी. Mint sauce.
Tablespoon.
1 tablespoon डाल दो.
That's a full tablespoon of mint sauce. I love mint sauce. And then
salt पाना है, but बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पाना क्योंकि दही विच salt बहुत ज़्यादा.
I would say about teaspoon and a less.
Yeah.
About a weak teaspoon. Then we've got the yogurt. I do like to use this yogurt by a pot Lancashire.
इन्हें थोड़ा जा मिक्स करना है. मिक्स करके तकरीबन आधा ये जड़ा डब्बी है पानी.
So that's half of that in there.
Mix.
The yogurt.
ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰਨਾ. अगर थोड़ा लगे ना मिंट सॉस ते तो साथ थोड़ा जा और ऐड कर सकते हो.
So that does look little bit less. थोड़ा लगता है ना.
हाँ, लेस लगता है ना तो साथ थोड़ा जा पा दे. ये मिक्स करके योगर्ट राता ज्यादा थिक लगता है ना तो ज्यादा थिक है ना, पानी पा के मिक्स करो.
Yeah, don't put too much water in it. थोड़ा पानी पाओ. So you add a little bit of water.
फिर देखो ना स्टिल थिक है, ज्यादा थिक नहीं ना होंदी. फिर मिडल ही थोड़ा जा पानी पाओ, इनू मिक्स करो.
ये फिर स्मूथ हो जाता है. I think that looks nice, isn't it? So now mint sauce will nazar aanda hai. So you're supposed to see the mint sauce in there. And the yogurt is nice and creamy and smooth. So that's the bad boy yogurt ready from mom, the right chef. And next,
थोड़ी जी black pepper.
Mom's gonna top it off with some black peppers.
बस ready.
And that's your yogurt ready.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम.
That's the dum. take the top off. Kitna time laya si?
15 minutes.
15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you want to take the top off and just do what mom's doing. Lightly and a chawal no throw nani.
Up around ऐसा थोड़ा जरा मासा डार्क कलर कीता है ना तुसा अगर लाइट करना चाहते हो तो तुसा अनियन थोड़ा पा सकते हो बट ऐसा
That's the chawal ready. So mom also made keema aloo and there's a bit of mutter in there. So that's keema aloo and mutter by mom. I think these mutter mom grew them in the garden, so she hasn't put too much in there, but they give so much flavor. So I'm here with the family. As I always say, food equals family. As you can hear, have a guess who's that? That's Aunt Sally. Hello, Aunt Sally.
Hello. Everybody okay? I'm alright.
Aunt Sally, so what are you having today to eat?
We having chicken chawal.
Chicken pilau. With
With dahi and salad.
keema aloo.
Keema aloo.
So she's going to be giving the full review. And Aunt Sally, it's not me cooking today, it's your sister cooking.
Yeah.
Apparently she cooks the best chawal, that's
Yeah,
what she's
best.
famous
Nice. Say maze de.
for. So today is the first chicken pilau recipe,
Yeah.
and then inshallah mom's going to do a meat one. Aunt Sally's chilling. Tu sare moja ne Aunt Sally.
Say.
Aunt Sally, she lives not far away from us, tu like 5 minutes walk, 2 minutes walk.
10 house.
10 houses down. So it's really easy. Every time we do something, we go, Aunt Sally, come down, bang, she's down. So we really love her, and she really comes down and spends time with us. And Aunt Sally, people have seen you and noticed you as well, innit?
Yeah. Can they tell the names? Who are they?
Yeah.
कौन
Yeah.
कौन है जरा मैंने सपोर्ट कर रहा है वे मेरे बेटे नु भी सपोर्ट करना वेरी नाइस कुक करदा है ते दसन कौन ने फिर मैंने पता लगे ते मैं खुश होंदी हां कि कोई मेरे बारे च पूछदा है
Somebody sent you a message as well.
Yeah.
To salam pejya si.
जिन्हां ने मैंने सलाम भेजिया है हुन मैंने याद नहीं आंदा केड़ा है ते वालेकुम सलाम ते अपना नाम मेंशन करी कौन है ते बाकी सान सपोर्ट करिया जे वेरी नाइस खाने मेरा बेटा बनांदा है ते वेरी नाइस सारा कुछ
The test coach, someone recognized you and they go,
Texas,
Sally, and Aunt Sally like, I'm getting famous. She asked us, Aunt Sally asked us she said she was down at her house and she said this is what happened. What's happened? We go, Aunt Sally, you're famous now. you gotta just be busy and just keep the fans happy. So alhamdulillah, all you guys that supporting me, supporting Aunt Sally, big thank you from BDM Vlogs and Aunt Sally. We're gonna get on with the food now and we're gonna give you a nice review of mom's cooking. This is mom's chawal. My mom mashallah makes the best chawal. Everyone knows that. Whoever's eaten my mom's chawal, they know. I don't need to say anything. So today we're going for it. Nephew's here.
Hello.
There's in the kitchen, my mom's there, my wife's there, my sister's here, and who's here now? Hi, that's Amina. Amina, you gonna enjoy the rice today?
Yeah.
That's my plate. So we've got the dahi, we got the chawal, we got the keema aloo. My family's here. As you can hear, there's quite a few people here. You guys are really missing out. So Aunt Sally's gonna start off. She's gonna do the first Bismillah on everyone.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very nice. बहुत मज़े देने मेरा बेटा बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाता है हर चीज़ बहुत अच्छा बनाता है बहरहाल आज जो दी मम ने बनाया मेरी सिस्टर ने बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाते ने बहुत मज़ेदार बहुत सोने चावल बने ने सालन सारा कुछ ते रेसिपी फॉलो करो तुसी भी बनाओ बहुत मज़ा आएगा बहुत नाइस
So mom is the right chef then.
Yeah.
So this chawal is super delicious and I really love it. And it tastes so nice.
That's Amna's nani in it.
It's one of my best chawal ever.
Oh, one of. So this is my wife. She's gonna give a review on her mother-in-law.
मेरी माम चावल बनाती हैं बेस्ट चावल आई थिंक मुझे तो पाकिस्तान याद आ जाता है ये चावल खा के जो सेवा फूड है रावलपिंडी की बेस्ट वहाँ के चावल होते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे पके हुए एंड हमेशा मैं फरमाइश करती हूँ माम चिकन वाले चावल बनाएं और माम जरूर मेरे लिए बनाती हैं.
But I'm a meat eater. I love meat. So mom makes the front chop chawals. Oh my god, next level. So the next recipe is gonna be the front chop chawals. And now everyone's here. Now it's time for me to do my review. Big bite there. Let me show you that. A big chammach there, you know. The chawal is so juicy. The keema is juicy. Everything is just juicy, you know. Let me get a big chammach there. So that's a big one there.
माशाल्लाह बहुत नाइस अल्लाह दा शुक्र है बहुत मज़ा आया है ते बाकी थैंक यू जेड़े सानू सपोर्ट करदे ने जेड़े साडा ब्लॉग वेखदे ने जेड़े मेरे कोई जानन वाले ने ते बस सपोर्ट करदे रहा जे ते थैंक यू तुहाडा सारियां दा
जिन्हां ने पुलाव वास्ते आखिया सी कि भाई रेसिपी दसो पुलाव दी चिकन पुलाव दी दसी है ते तुसां रेसिपी नु फॉलो करो इंशाअल्लाह बहुत मज़ा आएगा ते ज़रूर दस्या जे अच्छे लगे कि नहीं ते नेक्स्ट टाइम कीमा चावल भी बहुत नाइस बनते ने ते पुलाव भी मीट पुलाव भी ते तुसां दसोगे फिर मेरा हौसला अफजाई होएगी दिल खुश होएगा कि तुसां ने पसंद किया है तो फिर मैं अगे और स्टेप करांगी. थैंक यू सो मच वॉच करते हो सब्सक्राइब करो ते
Comment below.
कमेंट बिलो एंजॉय करो ते जरूर बनाया जे. अल्लाह हाफिज.
So we're here with Amina. Amina's made desserts. Hey Amina, what you made today? Chocolate?
Cookies, not chocolate ones.
She loves chocolate, so chocolate, but it's not chocolate cookies. So what have you made today, Amina?
Some cookies.
Some cookies, yeah. Do you wanna take the camera and show everyone?
So these are the cookies I made. They look super delicious. Oopsie. And yummy. So I'm gonna taste this.
What are you giggling for? Is it nice? She's enjoying it. She don't want to talk. She don't want to stop eating. Look at her. She's munching away. So I'm gonna take some cookie as well. Nephew, you want some cookie?
Yeah.
Has anyone given Aunt Sally cookies?
No.
Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god, the cookies are so... They're fluffy, aren't they? They're really light. Mmm. And they're not too sweet. But I don't know, I could taste something in there. But I can't guess what it is. Mmm. Oh my god. Amna, I think we need to share this recipe with them, you know.
Yeah.
Amna is going to do the full goodbyes today. I'm not going to be in the goodbyes. So Amna is going to finish this vlog off with the goodbye. There you go, Amina.
I want to say a big thank you to our subscribers for subscribing. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. Like, subscribe and share to see